Imagine looking at a faded old photograph of your grandparents and wishing, just for a moment, that you could hear the sound of their voice telling you exactly how they met. Most family histories get lost because the thought of organizing 80 years of memories feels completely overwhelming. Hello, I am Jan, and today we are fixing that with a simple 3-step framework you can use this afternoon. First, ignore the big book. Don't try to write a whole autobiography this weekend. Instead, focus on what I call micro-memories. Pick just one specific room from your childhood home or one specific holiday recipe and write down exactly 5 sentences about it. Second, record the sound. If writing feels like a chore, open the voice recorder app on your smartphone. Sit in a quiet room and speak as if you are talking to your grandchild. Just 5 minutes of your spoken voice is a priceless treasure for future generations. Third, preserve the timeline. Start with just 3 major milestones: the day you left home, the day you met your spouse, and the day you found your true calling. To help you organize these pieces effortlessly, I created the Voices of Legacy Family Journal Bundle, now available on Etsy. It gives you the exact bite-sized prompts to extract these stories without the stress. And if you want to see exactly where your family project stands today, take our 60-second Golden Legacy free quiz linked down below. Join us next Saturday as we break down the exact step-by-step framework to document your family's full history without feeling overwhelmed. Subscribe now, protect those memories, and I will see you next week. Your story is not finished, and the world is still waiting to hear it.